Hi, this is Mary Beth from Outdoor Staycations. We're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and like a lot of this part of the country, we had major rain and wind last night. We thought we'd show you around. In Pigeon Forge, a lot of people come camping here, and at the springtime you should be aware that they do get a little rain in this area, and a lot of the campgrounds are in flood zone. So first we're going to show you around the town for a few minutes, and then I'll show you some campgrounds. Wandering through Pigeon Forge is the Little Pigeon River. It winds and bends through the center of town. So when we do get rain, it comes down off the mountains and it goes into that river, and it often floods. It's very typical when you're in the area during the rainy part that you stop down at the old mill and see how high the water has risen. I grew up in Stratford, Connecticut, and in the rainy season the viaducts under I-95 would often flood. Here, the roads that are near Little Pigeon River often are flooded, or the water goes over the roads. So you do have to be careful when you're traveling after a rain. In our travels around the country, we have been evacuated 4 times because of rain, which is one of the reasons why we stay at Kings Holly Haven. It's a nice RV park. It's right on Wares Valley Road, not far from Claiborne's or Eagle's Nest, both of which I'll show you in a moment. But because there is no river bordering the campgrounds, the chance of being evacuated is quite slim. If you haven't seen our video when we were evacuated from East Grand Forks area while working at the bead harvest, I'll link it up above. Please check it out. We have stayed at Claiborne's, which is a lovely park with lots of facilities. We stayed in sites that were generally behind the store, but as you can see, this side of the park does flood when there's torrential rain. We have also stayed at Eagle's Nest, which is right down the road, but it is adjacent to a river, and whenever there is torrential rains, there's danger of that park flooding. We have been evacuated twice from there. Now, they've just recently bought it and are putting a lot of money into it, and I'm hoping they can correct that flooding problem. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that alarm so you know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and may you make great memories wherever the road may take you.